Gary, this is Bob from the Capital Humane Society with Dayton, who is just adorable. This dog, it's just like a toy. It's real. It's not a stuffed animal.
It is not a stuffed
animal.
Huh? He's I think he's just a little quiet, little unsure of himself.
Sure,
he was left in the overnight drop-off at the shelter approximately a week ago, and so we held him as a stray just in case somebody had lost him, and a citizen had picked him up and placed him at the drop-off, but no one claimed him. So he's been neutered, vaccinated, microchipped, everything, and from here he's going straight over to the Pilot Pet Adoption Center.
Okay.
It's Thursday, April 3rd, and the doors unlock at 11:30 a.m. over there, and I'm going to be a little bit surprised if he's still there by 1 o'clock.
Gosh, this dog is adorable. Now, what kind of dog is it?
Well, we think it's got some Yorkie in him, probably a little bit of poodle, maybe some type of terrier. He's a non-shedder. He is not shedding at all. And he's a fun little guy. I perceive him, the movie My Dog Skip. I can see a dog like this being some little boy's companion and following him all over the place, and two of them having fun together, learning about life together.
Is this once Dayton becomes more acclimated to whatever home he's in? What's the personality like?
He's going to perk up. He's going to be a puppy, and he's going to want to play and be active and so on and so forth. I think he just got enough unsure things going on right now.
Well, he's young, 5 months.
Day to day, and he needs a permanent setting, and he'll be fine.
Well, it's just a beautiful dog. Again, 5 months old. Capital Humane Society is where you need to go if you want to adopt this dog. And as Bob said, he's not going to be there long. So if you're interested, get down there and meet Dayton. Where do we go?
Southeast corner of 70th and Highway 2, the Pilot Pet Adoption Center. It's in the Willowbrook Shopping Center, anchored by the Home Depot over there, so real easy to find.
Thanks for coming in, Bob.
You're welcome.
Yes, I know, you and me would be sweet, sweet. Can't be beat with our love.